guys, what's up? It's Kelly. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to talk about underwear and the different types of underwear that every woman should have. So the first ones I'm going to talk about are thongs. I'm a thong girl. They're my absolute favorite. I wear them basically every day, and I don't like the tiny little thongs like the G-strings. They're just not my thing. They're uncomfortable to me. I don't like them. Won't buy them anymore. Don't have any in my drawer. But I do like the medium band thongs or the thick band thongs. Right now my favorite that I found are the really thick band thongs. They come up higher and they're just really comfortable. They lay very nicely, like, on the cheeks, and you don't even know that they're there. These right now are some of my favorites. I love how the backs are. This is why I like this kind, the thicker band, because they just lay very nicely and they don't ride up or pull. Like if you're bending over, they stay in place. They're just very comfortable. But then I have some other ones that I'll show you. I wear this type a lot also. These are another semi-thick band thong. You can see. But these are the no-show, and I actually think I wear these quite often because I can wear them with leggings, shorts, dresses. I do wear these a lot with dresses if they are like a more of a bodycon or like a fitted type dress, because they're the no-show, so you don't see them. They don't have like the seams on the side or like the seam up top that kind of cuts in that might leave like a little bump or something. They're very smoothing and they're just very comfortable to wear with honestly anything. But I do wear these with my leggings like all the time. Another thong that I wear a lot is just the plain cotton thongs. Just very simple, very basic, but they're very breathable, they're comfortable, and I just wear them, with jeans, shorts, anything that's not like super fitting, because with the cotton ones you will have a little bit of a line, so they will show a little. If you don't care for it to show, then who cares, wear whatever you want to wear. But I do wear these mostly like with shorts or with like jeans, anything that's not like super like thin or fitting that's going to be super revealing, but I do wear those. So the next style I'm going to talk about are the boy shorts or bikini briefs. I wear them a lot like with dresses, especially if it's like a shorter dress and I'm worried about like if the wind might blow and if it shows anything, or since I'm a mom, if I have to like squat or bend over, I don't want something to accidentally like happen and show. So they are my favorite with dresses, and I wear this style quite often with any type of dresses. As you can see, they're a lot thicker, and so it's more like having like a really short like pair of shorts on underneath your dress, but they are very smooth and fitting, and so you don't have to worry about it really showing in dresses unless you have on like a really tight dress or like a bodycon type dress. So these are really nice for more flowy dresses, especially if they're short. I do like the lace ones, but they're very, most of the ones that I buy I always go for like feel. Like if they're soft and comfortable, I'll keep them. If I get a pair of underwear, I don't care if they're super cute, but they feel like they're gonna be rough and uncomfortable or just like, show really bad because of the material, I will not keep them. I mean, why keep them if you're not gonna wear them and if you're gonna be uncomfortable the whole time? That's like the best thing about ordering them from Amazon, which is where I get most of my underwear at now, because I can get them, look at them, see how they fit, how I'm gonna like them, send them back for free. Amazon Prime is amazing, and that's where I get most of my underwear from. Another style of like boy shorts that I have they're a little bit longer, I guess. They're more like traditional boy shorts, but it would be like these. These almost look like a pair of shorts like some people wear out. I don't wear them out, but some people would wear out. They're really cute, but they are comfortable and they do cover more. So if you wanted more covered, I do wear a lot like these at home. I'll wear a t-shirt and these and just run around the house if I'm just lounging around most of the day. So the next set are just plain basic bikini underwear. I keep those in my wardrobe also, especially for that time of the month when you want to just be comfortable and you need like a pad or anything like that, and you just don't want to have a thong on, or you just want to be comfortable. When it's that time, anything that's comfortable is what you want on and in your life. But I do wear them just around the house also in a t-shirt just to lounge around. but I like more of the athletic fit of them. I do like just 100% cotton underwear. I know it's more breathable, but I do like the ones that are more of the athletic material. To me, they're more comfortable. Back to thongs. You know, I said that I really like thongs. They're my favorite. But I do like just like the plain cotton thongs. They seem to be comfortable, especially in jeans, because I wear jeans a lot, especially with work. And I just wear just the plain cotton thongs. But as you can see, I have the thicker band. Like I said before, I don't like the little skinny band, but just the thicker band just seems to me like stays in place better, and it doesn't like ride, so it stays right, you know, where it needs to be. I would highly recommend getting the no-show underwear, whether you get the boy shorts, the bikinis, you know, like the high briefs, the thongs, because those are really nice to have if you need to like wear a dress and you don't want it to show, if you want, you know, like the boy short to kind of cover more, but you don't want your underwear to show as much. So like the no-shows are perfect for that. If you like thongs, if you get the no-show, you can wear it with your leggings, you can wear it with a dress. Basically, you can wear it with anything, but the no-shows are amazing because you don't see it. Obviously, no-show, you don't see it, you know, in your clothing, and it's just, they're very comfortable too. They are, like I said, you can get them in all different styles, so that is a great thing about that. Another one, you know, like I said before, is I do get them on Amazon mostly. I've bought, you know, from American Eagle, Aerie, Victoria's Secret, Target. I bought some at Walmart, but I normally go to Amazon just because it's easy and I can get it, ship it back for free, not have to worry about it, and just trade it out. One tip I would say with any underwear, any style that you like, have some nudes in your underwear drawer. So when I say nudes, it's just nude for your skin type. I always thought that, you know, I had to have like, you know, like the outfits, what I was going to wear, whatever outfit I was wearing, I needed to match with my underwear. I thought that years ago. And then come to find out, you know, like I started like dressing it. I'm like, no, you can still see it. But if you get the nude that matches your skin tone, not perfectly, but that's close to it, then it doesn't show near as much. Like these I have really, you know, it doesn't look like it, but it really does match my skin tone a lot. And so you don't see them in like the clothing, and if you bend, you know, it doesn't show as much because it's almost like the same color as your skin, so you don't see like the contrast of it. So that's a like tip that really does work, and that I follow all the time on my clothing, especially if it's going to be something that might be a little bit more fitted that you can see. Now of course I probably would not wear these with like black, because if I bend you're going to see, but it does blend more with your skin, so it's a little bit harder to see like the difference in like actual underwear or your skin tone. So that's about it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to make a short little video on my favorite underwear and tips and tricks on how I style my underwear with my outfits. So if you guys have any comments, let me know below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I just hit my toe really hard. I wonder if that would work. What's up? Let's do this.